Hi, my name is Shane Oxbury, Managing Director of Res Distribution. Believe it or not, I've been active in the heating industry for over 40 years, mainly working for heating and plumbing merchants. The relationship we've built with manufacturers over the years has enabled Res to supply premium quality products with industry-leading technical and product support. And now we're proud to say that Res Distribution has opened a sustainable home centre in partnership with Daikin, so that we can offer our services and products to an even wider range of clients. So whether it's heat pumps, underfloor heating, solar systems or mechanical ventilation heat recovery systems, we can offer fully integrated renewable packages that offer energy efficient and sustainable solutions for all kinds of properties. We believe integrating renewable solutions provides the best value for end customers.
Renewable Equipment Solutions has a reputation of adding real value to installers and end users in terms of quality products, technical design and support, product knowledge, along with the assurance of the MCS process.
We also provide MCS support for installers throughout the South West and Midlands, making sure that their installations comply with the latest MCS rules and regulations. We have already opened a new training centre and showroom, but we have also hired additional staff to provide MCS support to new installers, which is really important in this growing market. The main positive of the Green Homes Grant is that homeowners are starting to see low carbon solutions as a genuine option for their homes. It's becoming mainstream technology that people are starting to ask for, and that's the biggest change we've seen over the past year or so. Long term, we see huge growth potential in the renewables market, not only in one-off projects for private customers, but also in new build and social housing projects. And we're convinced that providing a high level of support for both installers and end users in this changing market will enable us to grow and expand our business. It's this approach that has made Res Distribution an important player in the project market throughout the South West. And we have installed hundreds of Daikin Altherma monoblock systems over the years. Monoblock systems are important in the UK as they can save space inside a property. Plus, they don't require F-gas certification from the installer and are easy to install and operate, so it's a win-win for everyone concerned. However, one of the main reasons we recommend the Daikin Altherma monoblock to clients is the high quality of the system and of the components it uses. It's really important to install reliable systems supported by a high level of service from design to after sales, as this allows us to build our reputation, grow future business and accelerate the journey to net zero carbon.
The competition within the renewable heating sector continues to strengthen in terms of both manufacturers and installation businesses. However, Daikin and Renewable Equipment Solutions offer key advantages to both installers and homeowners alike. Firstly, the range of products that Daikin produce are exceptional. With high and low temperature, monoblock and hydro-split air source heat pumps, there are an array of options open to us. This allows us to select the most appropriate unit for each individual project. Daikin's range of heat pumps are manufactured to an industry-leading standard. They manufacture all components in-house, providing continuity of supply and an unparalleled research and development programme. The support and service level provided by Daikin is superb and a key benefit of both installers and homeowners. Daikin offer a true parts and labour warranty supported by Daikin engineers. In comparison, most other manufacturers supply replacement parts only, expecting the installer to execute the repair themselves.
I'm delighted that Daikin has chosen to work with Res Distribution as a sustainable home centre and have trusted us with the very first installation of the new generation Daikin Altherma 3 monoblock. At first glance, we've noticed a number of benefits that we'll look forward to promoting to our customers. For a start, it's a better looking, well-designed unit. This is important as consumers generally install the units in their gardens and they want to be able to show off their green credentials with some smart looking tech. And although these are large capacity units, the new monoblock is single fan, so it will fit under a windowsill or a low wall easily. And it's much quieter too than the double fan units were. This means we'll be able to install it in most properties with few size or noise constraints. Looking inside, the wiring is straightforward, and with all the components located in the outside unit, there's no indoor unit to install either. So the installation is easy and quicker for the Res Distribution team while being space saving for the customer. Personally, I think this is going to be a great product for both the new build and the replacement market, and these larger capacity units will allow us to recommend them for the majority of properties we see. As you can see, we've already installed the new system in our own training centre, as we always make sure that everyone in our business is fully familiar with the products we sell. Not just our technical team, but all our support staff too. Because we're all working together to provide consumers and installers with honest advice and support, and experience to provide low carbon solutions that best suit the property and the client.
For me, Daikin is an ideal partner to work with in providing renewables to a new and rapidly expanding heating market. RES provide professional technical support to installers that have little to no experience in applying or installing this technology. Daikin's range of equipment allows for a huge scope of technical applications, widening the potential for their use. Their pre- and post-technical sales support is second to none, providing peace of mind for the installer.
As a sustainable home centre, we're here to help with the transition to low carbon heating. We know that the UK has to accelerate the transition away from fossil fuels if we're to reach net zero carbon 2050. But the UK homeowners and installers know traditional fossil fuel heating systems, and in general people tend to stick with what they know. We see our role as providing sound advice, training and support, along with expert knowledge to help make that transition. An important part of that is having the very latest products on show so that consumers, installers and specifiers can experience the latest heating technologies at first hand. In terms of what the future looks like and how we see the market and our business evolving, it's clear to see that the momentum behind low carbon heating is significant. Heat pump installations are becoming an obvious choice to replace fossil fuel systems, with annual installations set to rise from current levels of around 30,000 a year to potentially over 1 million in the next 5 years. At RES, we also see heat pumps as the future, and our challenge is to provide heat pump installations that are designed to work with maximum efficiency, using quality products and meeting MCS guidelines. A balance between affordability and the accurate design is key for the sector to grow. We also provide a solution for installers that are not MCS accredited, working with them to provide certification for an MCS compliant design and installation. It's essential for heat pumps to be designed and installed to a high standard, and so we are using our RES Sustainable Home Centre to provide technical knowledge and training for installers. We'll be providing Daikin installer courses for Daikin products as soon as current restrictions allow.